How much does it really cost to renovate a bathroom? You'd be surprised what kind of transformation you can pull off with the right plan and a realistic budget. I'm Blake, and welcome back to Built by Becker. We turn renovation headaches into dream spaces. I've helped hundreds of clients get results without blowing their budget. Let's break this down. From demo to the last drop of grout, I'm walking you through every cost you'll expect in a modern bathroom renovation. Stick around. I'll show you how to avoid the biggest budget killer most homeowners never see coming. Hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss any of these videos. And in the end, we're breaking down the real numbers the right way. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why bathrooms are notorious for being one of the most expensive spaces to renovate per square foot. I mean, you got a closet-sized room, so how expensive could it really be, right? Well, here's the thing. Bathrooms are plumbing heavy, incredibly detail-oriented, and they have to be absolutely waterproof to their core. It has to handle more moisture, temperature changes, and daily wear and tear that's pretty much higher than any other room in your house. Water is everywhere. Steam from hot showers, splashes from the sinks, humidity that just hangs around. One small mistake in waterproofing, you could be looking at serious water damage down the road. Everything has to be done right the first time. So what actually drives the final price tag? Well, it really comes down to three major factors. First up is the size of your bathroom. Obviously, a tiny powder bathroom is going to cost less than a sprawling master suite, but it's not just about square footage. It's about how much stuff you're cramming into that space. Then you got the type of finishes you choose. Oh boy, this is where it can get interesting. Are we talking basic white subway tile or a simple vanity from home improvement store? Are we looking at imported Italian marble and custom cabinetry? The difference can be tens of thousands of dollars, and I'm not exaggerating. Finally, there's the complexity of your layout and upgrades. Moving a toilet might seem simple, but it could involve rerouting plumbing, which means opening up walls, or the floor, which means more work, which means more money. It's like the domino effect. And before you know it, your simple refresh has turned into a full-scale renovation. All right, let's get into where your money actually goes. I'm gonna walk you through each major category so that you can see exactly what you're paying for and why. First up is prep and demo work, which typically runs between $1,500 to $3,500. Now I know what you're thinking. I'm paying how much just to tear stuff out? But here's the deal. Demo is way more than just swinging a sledgehammer around like you're in some home improvement show. We're talking about carefully removing old tile without damaging walls underneath, disconnecting plumbing fixtures properly, and sometimes even taking out drywall that's been damaged by years of moisture. And here's where it gets potentially expensive. Hidden issues love to rear their ugly heads during demo. You might discover a cute little black spot behind the toilet that's actually a full-blown mold situation. Or maybe that minor leak has been slowly rotting the subfloor for years. These surprises can drive your demo cost up fast. So don't be shocked if this category ends up costing more than expected. Moving on to plumbing and electrical work. Plumbing changes alone that can run anywhere from $1,500 to $5,000 depending on what you're doing. Are you just swapping out a toilet for a similar model? That's pretty straightforward. But if you're installing a rainfall shower head system, adding a bidet, or moving the whole vanity to a different wall, well, that's an entirely different story. Electrical upgrades are another beast entirely. We're talking about adding new lighting, maybe some fancy recessed lights or a statement chandelier, installing GFCI outlets where you need them, and even adding heated floors if you're trying to feel luxurious. This typically costs between $1,000 and $3,000. But if your home's electrical panel can't handle the increased load, you might need to upgrade that too. That's another $1,500 to $3,000 right there. Now let's talk about fixtures and materials, which is honestly where the fun begins. But also where your wallet might start crying. Your budget range here could be anywhere from $2,000 to $20,000 and beyond. I'm talking about toilets, vanities, sinks, faucets, mirrors, and all the little details that can make your bathroom feel like yours. But here, the price variation is absolutely wild. You can get a perfectly functional toilet for a couple $100. Or you can go in for a smart toilet with a heated seat and built-in bidet and more buttons than a spaceship for several $1,000s. Same goes for vanities. You might find a nice one at a big box store for a few hundred, or you could go custom and spend thousands of dollars. Now let's talk about tile for a minute, because this is where a lot of people get sticker shock. Basic ceramic tiles might only cost you from $4 to $8 per square foot, and they can look great if you choose well. Mid-range option, porcelain or glass tile bumps up $9 to $25 per square foot. But if you're dreaming of natural stone like travertine or that gorgeous Carrara marble that you saw on Instagram, you're looking at $25 to $50 per square foot or even more. Because here's the thing about materials. It's not just the cost per square foot that matters. It's also the installation complexity. That beautiful herringbone pattern you love is going to cost more to install than a simple straight lay. Those tiny mosaic tiles require way more precision and time than large format tiles. Labor is typically the biggest chunk of your budget, accounting for 40 to 60% of your total renovation cost. For a modern bathroom renovation, you're looking at anywhere between $5,000 and $15,000 in labor cost, depending on where you live and the complexity of your project. And honestly, this is one area where you really don't want to cut corners. Here's why paying professionals is worth every penny. Bathrooms are about precision and code compliance. One mistake with waterproofing and you could end up with water damage that costs way more than you saved by going cheap. Plus, skilled professionals know all the little tricks and details that make the difference between a bathroom that looks good and one that looks amazing, functions perfectly for years to come. Finally, let's talk about permits. Those lovely unforeseen expenses that nobody wants to think about. Permits typically cost between $750 and $1,200 depending on your local municipality. Some places are stricter than others, but most major bathroom renovations are going to require at least some permitting. As for surprises, well, they're called surprises for a reason. You might not discover that your plumbing is older than you thought and needs updating. Or maybe the ventilation system isn't adequate for your new setup. These are unexpected issues that can add up to anywhere from $500 to $5,000 compared to your original project cost. Now that we've covered the individual pieces, let's put it all together and look at some realistic budget ranges for different types of bathroom renovations. This is where the rubber meets the road, so to speak. For a budget remodel, typically smaller guest bathroom, you're looking around $10,000 to $15,000. This is your basic refresh. Maybe you're keeping the same layout, updating the vanity, putting in a new toilet, and doing some fresh tile work. Nothing too fancy, but it'll give you a clean, updated look that feels way better than the one you had before. The beauty of a budget remodel is that you can still get great results if you're smart about the choices. Maybe you splurge on one really nice element like a beautiful vanity or some gorgeous tile and keep everything else simple and functional. Moving up to the mid-range renovation, which is a perfect standard master bathroom. You're looking between $15,000 to $30,000. This is where you can start having some real fun with your design choices. Maybe you're expanding the shower, adding double vanities, or installing some nice built-in storage. You got room in the budget for better finishes and maybe a few luxury touches that make the space feel special. This is honestly the sweet spot for a lot of people. You get a significant upgrade in both function and style without completely going overboard on the cost. It's enough to make your bathroom feel like a retreat without requiring you to take a second mortgage. Now here we go. High-end renovations. We're talking anywhere from $30,000 to $50,000 and even beyond. This is where you're probably looking at larger bathrooms with features like double vanities, maybe a separate soaking tub, a large walk-in shower with multiple heads and premium finishes throughout. We're talking about the kind of bathroom that makes you feel like you're staying at a 5-star resort hotel. But if you really want to go out, luxury builds with features like steam rooms, wet rooms, radiant floor heating throughout, and custom everything can easily push you past the $100,000 mark. These are the bathrooms you see in design magazines where every single detail has been carefully considered and no expense has been spared. So now that you got the ballpark idea of what bathroom reno might cost, let's talk about how to budget smart because of surprises. Yeah, they're coming. First thing, always build in a buffer. 10 to 15% non-negotiable, even with the best plan, and a great contractor because something will always pop up. Whether it's a hidden plumbing issue or you suddenly fall in love with a tile that's over budget. That cushion keeps you from panicking when it happens. Next, be strategic with where you splurge. You don't need high-end everything to get a high-end look. Maybe you go all in on one shower tile and vanity, but save on the floor and hardware. Think about what matters most to you, whether it's storage, lighting, or a spa-like shower, and spend accordingly. And seriously, hire pros for the big stuff. Plumbing, electrical, waterproofing. This is not where you want to do it yourself. One tiny mistake can turn into a very expensive problem. A good contractor will not only do it right, they'll help you make smart calls along the way. Sometimes they'll even save you money by suggesting better alternatives you hadn't thought of. That's why we are here. And hey, if you want more real-world tips like this, hit like, subscribe. Also, got a room you want to break down next? Drop it in the comments and we'll definitely talk about it in one of our next videos. Thank you guys for watching. Built by Becker.